Hello everyone, my name is Vikasa Ashaya, a first year BC student in agriculture. So today we'll be studying about a herbarium. A herbarium is simply a collection of preserved plant specimens mounted on a sheet, catalogued and arranged systematically, and the associated data is used for scientific study by students, researchers, or for general public. To prepare a herbarium, one simply needs to collect plant or plant parts, then followed by drying and poisoning. Poisoning is used to avoid the growth of microbes, and mercury chloride is the reagent that is used in the process of poisoning, and followed by mounting and stitching of the plant parts in the herbarium sheet, and lastly followed by labeling. Here I have used the Bentham and Hooker system to arrange my herbarium. My first specimen here, it's called an arrowhead vine from the family Araceae, and the scientific name of the plant is Syngonium pedophyllum. Its description are sagitated or spear-hearted with a reticular venation and smooth margin. My second specimen is called False Ashok from the family Amonaceae, and the scientific name of the plant is Manun longifolium. The description is it has a lanceolate leaf that is tapering long point with a reticular venation and smooth margin. My third specimen is commonly called the devil's tree from the family Apocynaceae, and the scientific name of the plant is Elstonia scolaris. Its description are leaves are digitate, presence of tiny spots or bumps, and it has a reticular venation with smooth margin. The fourth specimen is called golden trumpet vine from the family Aponaceae, and the scientific name of the plant is Alamanda cathartica. It has an elliptical leaf with a reticular venation and smooth margin. The fifth specimen is also commonly called the Bengal currant from the family Apocynaceae, and its scientific name of the plant is Caressa cassandas. It has an elliptic leaf with a small point with reticular venation and a glossy surface with smooth margin. My sixth specimen is commonly called the temple's tree from the family Apocynaceae, and the scientific name of the plant is Palmaria alba. Its description are oblanceolate leaves with that is wedged shape with reticular venation and a smooth margin. My seventh specimen is commonly called the crepe jasmine from the family Apocynaceae. Its scientific name is Tabernaemontana divericreta. Its leaves are obovate with small point tip and reticular venation with smooth margin. The eighth specimen is commonly called Pilehamkara or Bhringraj from the family Asteraceae. The scientific name of the plant is Vidalia chinensis. Its description are pinnatifid leaves with reticular vein and serrated margin. The ninth specimen is commonly called the trumpet vine from the family Bignoniaceae, and its scientific name is called Campsis redicans. Its leaves are pinnate with reticular venation and has serrated margin. The 10th specimen is commonly called Bhang from the family Cannabaceae. Its scientific name of the plant is Cannabis sativa. Its description are leaves are digitate in arrangement with reticular venation and serrated margin. The 11th specimen is commonly called Rangoon or Burma creeper from the family Combertaceae. Its scientific name of the plant is Combertum indicum. Its description are elliptic leaves with reticular venation and smooth margin. The 12th specimen is commonly called China rose from the family Malvaceae. The scientific name of the plant is Hibiscus rosa sinensis. Its description are it has an aristate leaf at the earlier stage, but when it reaches maturity, it has a diamond-shaped leaf with a serrated margin and reticular venation. The 13th specimen is commonly called Tuna from the family Melaceae, and its scientific name of the plant is Tuna ciliata. It has a pinnate leaf with reticular venation and smooth margin. The 14th specimen is commonly called Benjamin's fig from the family Moraceae. The scientific name of the plant is called Ficus benjamina. Description are: it has an aristate leaf with reticular venation and a smooth margin. The 15th specimen is commonly called People leaf from People tree from the family Moraceae, and the scientific name of the plant is Ficus religiosa. The description are: it has a cordate or a heart-shaped leaf and undulated margin with reticular venation. The 16th specimen is commonly called the bottle brush from the family Myrtaceae. The scientific name of the plant is Callistemon viminalis. The description are: linear with reticular venation and hair fibers present in the leaves. The 17th specimen is commonly called the jasmine from the family Olaceae. The scientific name of the plant is Jasminum sp. The description are: it has a lanceolate leaf with reticular venation and a smooth margin. The 18th specimen is commonly called Kadam or burr flower tree from the family Rubaceae. The scientific name of the plant is Neolamarchia kadamba. The description are: it has an oval or ovate leaves with reticular venation and a smooth margin. The last specimen is commonly called wild sage from the family Verbenaceae, and its scientific name is Lantana camara. Its description are: it has an elliptic leaf with serrated margin and reticular venation.